I predicted in early January that the Earth would become even more active, and that is exactly what happened. I believe there have been over 25,000 earthquakes in Santorini in about a month, more earthquakes than normal in the Caribbean. And in addition to these areas, more activity than normal has been observed elsewhere. Volcanoes have also become active. Now the situation has been calming down as these exceptionally straight alignments have begun to break up. The number of earthquakes in Santorini, for example, has also begun to decrease. The 12th, 14th and 19th of March will show how the Earth can manage the new strong activations after the activations in January and February. March 14th is a completely exceptional situation. Full moon with a lunar eclipse and at the same time Saturn and Neptune in the background of the sun. Early in the morning, the Earth is in the area between the Moon and Saturn. A few hours from now and the Earth will be very directly in the area between the Moon and the Sun, and thus the lunar eclipse. In the evening the Earth will still be in the area between the Moon and Neptune. Now the Sun is bringing its own energy to these alignments. The energy originating from the Sun is able to activate the dark energy originating from Saturn and Neptune that physicists do not yet understand, and which is being pushed towards the Earth. The Sun is also activating the dark energy originating from the Earth, and the Moon which is being pushed towards Saturn and Neptune. Now these already activated dark energies are meeting each other in the opposite sphere, and are able to interact with each other much more strongly than normal. What makes the situation so worrying is that the Earth was already activated very strongly in January and February, when the Earth has not had much time to find balance. March 12, 2025 is a strong activation where Saturn is most directly behind the Sun. The line between the Earth and Saturn goes somewhat below the Sun, but often during similar alignments much more than now. That alignment only has time to break up in about 2 days, and we already have a situation where the full moon with a lunar eclipse is so that Neptune lurks in the background of the Sun on the left and Saturn on the right. After these activations, the situation only has time to calm down for 5 days, and then on the 19th of March, the alignment where the Earth, Sun and Neptune are aligned is at its most direct, and although Neptune is much further away than Saturn, it can have a stronger effect than Saturn. This is because the more direct the alignment is, the longer these dark energy densities meet each other on the opposite sphere, and the stronger this dark energy is activated. And in March, Neptune is more directly in the background of the Sun than Saturn was 7 days earlier. It might be worth staying away from volcanoes at least for the month of March. Love. 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 Love.